So the next step, we are taking the traced leaf, and now we are sectioning it out using the veins that are naturally in the leaf. Now there's a lot of lines usually on the leaf, as we can see by the inside here, right? But we are not going to draw all of those. So what I have done is I've taken a look at this leaf, and I have drawn the veins that I think are the important ones, are the ones that I want you to do, and then I have recreated that on the back side. So you're going to want to find your leaf example. There will be a PDF or a document that'll have all of these. So find the leaf that you made and then try to recreate the veins in the inside. Always, as you'll see, starting with the center vein. All right. So if I look through all of my leaves, I will find the one I need. And then again, using your pencil, I'm using pen, we are going to try to recreate that. So finding out where I started, that's probably the most important step. And I think also capping off your stem, so having a little line here, and then this line coming all the way to the tip for this one, and then noticing that it goes from this one to the center, and then this one to the center. Now there can be one more. I could add the one that goes from here to there, and then from here to there, but that's going to make 2 more total sections that you're going to have to fill. We're going to be putting things inside of these sections. So you decide, do you want 1, 2, 3, and 4 sections, or do you want to add the last 2 lines there, which is going to make 6 total sections that you have to fill. Okay, so you're doing that with pencil. After you are done with that, your job is going to be using a Sharpie marker that I will be providing. If you're at home, you just use a washable marker. That works fine. A pen will work fine. If you have a Sharpie marker, make sure that you're using it with permission of an adult, and making sure that you are working on a surface that is okay to get Sharpie marker on if it goes through the paper. So I like to, if I wasn't working on this wood table, I would put maybe 1 or 2 sheets of paper underneath my paper to help protect, or a bigger sheet of paper would go underneath. Okay. And what you're going to do with the Sharpie marker is first you're going to outline. So you're going to slowly go over all of your pencil lines. Slowly. If you do a nice job, you're not going to have to erase anything. What we're looking at here is your fine motor control. So how well does your eyes work with your brain and your hands? It's actually one of the things that we grade you on. And so sometimes we might think that you don't have great fine motor control, but really all it is you just go too fast. So slow down, I have to constantly remind myself as well. Sometimes I feel like I got to go really fast because I'm doing a video here. But really all I got to do is just slow down. So then after you finish the outlining of the leaf, then you're going to outline all of the veins that you drew in the last step. And then you would get an eraser. And when you erase, if I want to erase something here, I don't want to hold the paper all the way over here if I'm going to erase something here. I want to get closer to it, and then I erase whatever's in this imaginary circle here. Okay. If I want to erase something here, I have to move this hand over to that area, and then I erase, erase, erase. Okay, erase all of your pencil lines, and then you are ready for the next step.